Hello friends, welcome to my channel Travel Tech. Today I will show you how to verify your Google My Business account without getting the postcard from Google. Before that, I request you to please like and subscribe this channel so you can get regular update from my side. So first, what we have to do, we have to log in our Google My Business account. Like you can see that I am already been logged in. You have to use your Gmail account from which you have created your Google My listing, and after that click on business. You will get number of business of your account if you are his or that account administrator, right? So you can see that there is a verification pending for this account. Previously I told you how to update and how to verify your business in Hindi. This video is in English. uh, Earlier we have verified this business. You can see that this one is verified, pending address, because I have edited the phone number, so that will be updated soon. You can check that this one verification required. Okay, so today we will try to verify this business. You can see that verification required is here. So first we will have to click on this one. Please watch the complete video, because I'm going to tell you step 1 and step 2. Step 2 means what you will be asked by Google people when you will receive call, and the further details. Okay, so you can see verification needed. On left hand panel you can check there is a support option. Click on support. When this dialog box will be open, click on contact us. Let's get started. You have to type pin code here, pin code, and next step you will see that there is an option postcard didn't arrive. Click on that option. Now click on next step and click on email. You have to provide your name. What is the official business address used to manage this business? You have to input the same email ID from which the Google My Business has been created. You have to enter the business name. Like in my case, the business name will be this one, business name. What is the public URL and map link of business page? In this you have to enter the my Google Maps link. Like go to maps.google.co.in. I will search my business. You will get this. This is my business. I have to click on this link, copy this and paste the link here. This is your public URL. You have to check on this. I consent to having my information shared. What country you are located? As I'm from India, I have selected India. You have to select the correct country, because as you can see, would you prefer to complete the verification process via video verification live or via email offline? I will suggest you to go for video verification, because it is quick. In email you have to send your business photos, front gate photo, etc., and then they will ask again for some pictures, so for some information, and it takes around about 10 to 15 days to get the business verified. But for video verification, if you get the video call from Google today itself, tomorrow your business will be verified. So it's preferable to use this video verification option. But please note, video verification is available in these countries only, that is Australia, India, New Zealand, UAE, UK, US and Latin America, right? And if you are not from these countries, so you can use the email option. Now you have to select the preferred date and time. Select the date at least after 24 hours, because when you will submit this form, Google will reply you, and it takes around about 12 to 15 hours to reply them. So I will advise you to select any date after 24 hours and prefer time as per your convenience. Please provide the website that is used to represent your business online. If you have your website, well and good. If you don't have website, then provide your Facebook page link. Please provide a phone number on which we can reach you. You have to enter your mobile number here. Then you have to upload some photograph. What Google asks, you have to enter the main building photograph with your business billboard, like business signboard, and with that the entrance of the building, the entrance of your office, people sitting in the office, like in the work environment, photo should be there. So upload in this section, and if you have more than one photograph, you can zip them and upload here. What is your relationship to the business? You can choose any option. I own this business, I am employee, I have friend or family, I own this, I own also work for agency, I am app user, whatever you want. In that case, I will choose I own this business. Related case IDs, you have just if you have earlier requested for verification to Google, and you have the case ID, enter that. Else, just write down that I have requested my postcard for so many times, but I did not got that. So please request to please verify my Google business account, and click on submit. After submission, you will get a case ID, right? And after that, you will get a call from Google within 24 hours. They will ask to show you the business. Before that, you will get an email with a Google Meet link. What they will do, they will call you and they will ask you to join Google Meet from your mobile phone or laptop. You have to disconnect the call and join the Google Meet from your mobile. And after that, the customer care executive or the agent will ask you to show your main billboard or hoarding, you can say, the entrance of your office, waiting area, working area, machinery is being used to give the service to your customer, or some information they want. And the major is they will ask for your visiting card. So show them your visiting card, and after that, if the person is satisfied, he will simply say you that, sir, it's okay, I got all information and the business will be verified soon. And your business will be verified within 24 hours and you will get complete access of your business. So follow this procedure and you can easily verify your business. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and comment on this video. Thank you. Jai Hind.